Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to connect your Huawei Watch GT3 to a Samsung phone. First, you need to download the Huawei app gallery from Huawei's official website. Once downloaded, install it on your Samsung phone, remembering to allow installations from unknown sources in your phone settings. After App Gallery is installed, open it and search for HMS Core to install it. This step is crucial for your watch's optimal performance and seamless integration. Next, stay within the Huawei App Gallery to find and install the Huawei Health application. It is very important to download it from App Gallery, not the Google Play Store, as the Play Store version is often outdated and incompatible with newer Huawei watches. Once installed, open the Huawei Health app. You will then need to sign in using your Huawei ID. If you do not have one, the app will guide you through creating a new account in just a few simple steps. Now let's connect your watch. Make sure your Huawei Watch GT3 is powered on and ready for pairing. If it's new, it will automatically be in pairing mode. On your Samsung phone, enable both Bluetooth and location services. Open the Huawei Health app, tap on the Devices tab at the bottom, and then select Add Device. The app will begin scanning for nearby Huawei watches, typically taking only a few seconds to find yours. Once your watch is found, accept the Bluetooth pairing request that appears on your Huawei Watch GT3. Your phone will then prompt you to grant several permissions to the Huawei Health app, such as access to location, notifications, and contacts. Please allow all these permissions for full functionality. Finally, you can customize which specific applications send notifications to your watch directly within the Huawei Health app settings. You are now all set to enjoy your connected devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.